Now I can go ahead and customize my labels and the way my project will look like. So I'll have here those entities that I have added from models, prompts, and rules. And I have here the classes, the choices from my prompt. I can also see the XML version of this configuration. Here I see exactly what the models and rules and prompts, all the resources linked to my project. And here I can, edit the entities, change the colors for each one of the entity, select some, here is where I link entity resolution models. I have a list of resolvers that are already downloaded, but it's not the case for this project. Or I can associate a lookup data set in case I want to do entity resolution manually. And here I can add label instructions. I'm going to show you a little bit later because for this project it's not very important. So I save my configuration, okay, and say, okay, if I want to deploy this configuration to be available for pre-annotation once I import the data. Say I can either only save my configuration and then do the deployment later if my server is busy, or I can just simply deploy the configuration right now.